Hey all, today we will learn port forwarding in VS Code. It will help you in accessing your project in your VS Code in other devices so that you can easily check responsive websites in different devices like your phone and tablets. For this you need to navigate to the activity bar panel and go to Ports section. You can see a button, Forward a Port. Here you need to give the port number that is used by your live server. Here my live server is using port number 5501 in my device, which I need to copy and paste to the box in VS Code. After entering port number, hit enter. For the first time it will ask you to log in through Git Hub for validation. After that it will start port forwarding system. Here you can see visibility is private. Right-click here and change visibility to public. It is asking for permission here. Click Continue and proceed. Copy the URL from here and use it to view your project from other device. I have used this link in my phone to see my website project. You can see site is automatically reloading as soon as I made any change in the code. Now by this way you can easily view your project in VS Code from any device. Thanks for watching till end. If you have reached up to here and learned anything new, please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more tutorials.